On May 31st, 2024, Oklahoma woman Daisy Joerger was charged with neglect for leaving her 16-month-old son in a car while gambling at the Hard Rock Casino. Police found the baby locked in the running car around 3 p.m., hours after Daisy entered at 9:30 a.m.
This ain't y'all's car or anything? Okay, I'm just making sure. I'm making sure. Is it over there? Is the car running? I can't hear it. Soon forth. We will be with Oklahoma Paul John David 905. I'm stop right here. Get ready real quick. Wow. Paul John David.
Despite her claim of being inside for only 20 minutes, surveillance footage proved otherwise. Daisy Joerger appeared concerned for her child, asking if he was okay and claiming she was inside looking for his dad. When police questioned why she left her baby in the car, she gave inconsistent excuses, including being a nurse and just coming from work. She cried frantically, but offered no convincing explanation.
Why are we leaving a baby in the car?
I went to go find his dad.
Why are we leaving an infant in the car?
I went to go find his dad.
This is stuff I put people in prison for. Why are we leaving an infant in the
I
car?
was literally out.
I'm not interested. I want to know why you left your child in the
Because I
car.
had to go find his dad. My phone was.
So it's okay to leave that baby? No, I didn't say go over there. Unlock the car for us. Unlock the car. Stop. Unlock the car.
I'm trying.
We need to make sure this kid is okay. It's open.
I'm a nurse. Guys, can I just see him for a second? I had him
He's right here and he's okay.
Hold on. Can I explain something to you?
What?
I had him at 25 weeks.
Yeah, check on your kid. That's fine.
Baba? Fine.
506, we got the car.
He was here, but he wasn't in the car by himself. Oh, God. That's not a single.
Daisy claimed she was dropped off at the casino after work and only went inside briefly to look for the baby's dad. However, her story didn't add up. If he dropped her off, why search for him inside? Despite her insisting the baby wasn't alone, it was clear he was.
Let's go here to the spot truck and talk for a minute.
Okay.
Where are you coming from? From what? Thank you. Coming from where? Where's work at?
Bailey in Owasso.
Okay.
Time did you get here?
He had my car.
He had your car, but how long did this all take you?
He hasn't been here the whole time. His dad brought him.
When did his dad?
I don't know. That's why I was trying to find him.
When did you get here?
He brought my car this morning. I was at work.
Okay. What time did you get off work?
7.
11?
7.
7?
This morning?
Yes.
So how did you get here?
He picked me up
And you've been here with him?
with the baby, yes. And then I tried to go in there and find him, but I don't know where he's at.
No, it's not.
I would never do anything to hurt him. I spent 7 months in the ICU with him.
How long has he been out here by himself? Can you hold him for a second? He's gonna hold on to him and check him out.
Why?
So I can talk to you in person without your holding your baby. He's not taking your baby away. He's not walking away with it. He's a firefighter that's going to check him out. How long was he left in the car with that? I know the car was running, but how long was he left in the car?
What time is it?
2:56.
Like maybe 20 minutes.
What time did you walk in that casino?
I don't remember. I didn't look. My phone was dead.
So what was the reasoning for going into the casino and leaving him by himself?
1, I had to pee. And 2, I was trying to find his dad.
Okay, why are we trying to find his dad?
Because he was supposed to be.
Surveillance footage showed Daisy entering the casino in the morning and never leaving. Her fake tears and pleas for sympathy were frustrating. She told police she's all her baby has and mentioned his medical conditions, like a feeding tube, which likely worsened her case.
Because all she said is she was gone max 20 minutes to go inside and pee and find his dad. We'll talk to her again and see what she says now.
Yeah,
20
minutes.
They're saying since 9:30 this morning.
They're saying you went in about 9:30 this morning. They have not been back out to the car.
What's so loud?
Why would the camera show you one?
I did come back out.
You did?
What time was that at?
I don't know you guys.
The reason we're being straight up honest with you is because this facility is so sophisticated. They read my face and know everything about me. They have 2 people that all they do all day long is watch cameras. They've already rewound since they found your child in the car alone. Said you got out of that car at 9:30 and this morning and walked inside, and you never came back out until you saw law enforcement and security out here. Appreciate the honesty back.
Yeah, gambling addiction, something we can work with. You're gonna lie to us or anything.
No, I'm not.
What do you do at Bailey's?
Huh?
What do you do at Bailey's?
Nurse.
What kind?
Tech.
What's tech?
He has a G button and everything.
Has a what?
A G
What
button.
is that?
A feeding tube.
How does he get fed then? Do you have to hook it up?
Yeah, and he eats my mouth too, but not very low.
Is this your child or is it adoptive? Or?
No, he's mine. I had him.
Address is going to be 12 North Harbor.
The police pulled Daisy aside, read her Miranda rights, and she immediately began fake crying again. The situation was full of troubling inconsistencies.
Here's my phone call.
111 East. So,
Oh, right here is good. I'll ask you something before I keep talking to you anymore, okay? I'll read you something. I mean, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights that I've just read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Keeping those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
This one is.
I just need a yes or a no real quick.
I don't know. I just want to explain.
I mean, but okay, just real quick. Having those rights in mind, are you okay with talking to me about what's going on?
Yeah, I guess I wasn't trying to do anything wrong.
How could someone be so irresponsible? If you're struggling, get help. Don't endanger your child. When the officer asked Daisy if she had gambled upon arriving at the casino, she admitted, yeah.
And you look like you got something on your chest that you're wanting to tell us, but you're upset to tell us about. Is there something you want us to know about?
No, I'm just going through a lot.
It sounds like you guys are going through a lot, especially with his dad. I mean, what it make it sound like? You're trying to find him. I understand that.
Well, not even just today, but in general. I mean, we're separating.
Right.
Like I said, we're staying with my mom. It's just out.
Do you think you might have a gambling problem?
No,
It's okay if you do. I'm not here to judge you if you do.
no, I mean, I don't think so. I didn't realize that.
Did you gamble a little bit when you got here? It's an addiction just as much as alcohol or drugs can be. And it's okay to admit it. I'm not here to judge you. I'm not here to say you're a horrible, horrible human being because you like to gamble some money. I'm not here to say that.
The positive outcome is that Daisy was arrested and charged with child neglect. Though she is out of jail, her child is now in the care of Child Welfare Services.
Okay, hold on.
Turn around.
Hold on.
Turn around.
Okay.
So put your hands behind your back. We will talk here as soon as I get done with this.
It's like,
Let's have a seat in the back of my car real fast.
can you tell me what's gonna happen?
All right, now you're under arrest for child neglect, okay? We're going to go to Rogers County Jail. You're going to be booked in and you'll see a judge as soon as they can, okay? With the meantime, we are calling people that are state workers that will be with your child the entire time. I'm not saying they're going to take your kid away from you, but they will be with him at the hospital because he's been without fluid since 9:30 this morning. And they want to make sure your child is going to be healthy and safe.
He eats overnight.
Overnight?
He has continuous food that runs overnight. He only eats for enjoyment during the day.
Okay. I'll let them know. I'll let
So it's
Pafford
not
know.
like he was just.
Right,
know.
I get you. I'll let Pafford know so they can tell the hospital, okay? Go ahead and hop your legs in real quick so I can.
Hospital is he going to?
I'm going to find out. As soon as you get in, I can find out.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.